Hey guys, it's Zach from Myshire Farm. We are back again with another video. Today's video, I get asked quite a bit. I see a lot of posts on Facebook about it also. So we are going to discuss how much a quail eats per day. We're also going to talk about how much it costs to raise a quail just in feed per day. And in numbers alone, I will show you that quail is the new and improved chicken and that everybody should have some. So I'm pretty excited about it. Before I begin, make sure you go to our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. But we're just going to jump on into it. I'm a numbers person. If you've watched my videos, you know that. We do a full inventory every morning. I know how many hens I have. I know how many males. I know egg production. I know all kinds of things. I know how old they are. I know a bunch of stuff. So our number for how much they eat per day has remained the same forever, ever since we started. So I'm very comfortable with that number. So we go through, long story short, to get the number that you need to know how many quail you have and how many bags of feed or how much you go through. I know that we go through a certain amount of bags per day, and I know exactly how many quail we have. So I can figure out this number. So per day, our breeders, we're just talking about breeders, our breeders eat 0.133 pounds of feed per day, each quail. All right? So I'm going to help you figure out how much it costs you to raise quail, per quail. All right? So I'm going to assume that it's a 50-pound bag because that's pretty standard, right? And then our feed cost is a little bit different. It's not $15 because we custom make ours, but we decided that that was worth it for us. But we're going to assume that you're paying $15. So if your numbers are different, then you'll just need to substitute those out, but you can still do it the same way. So with the $15 bag of feed, which is 50 pounds, we're going to divide 15 into 50, all right? That will give us 33 cents a pound, all right? So then we're going to multiply 33 cents a pound with how much they eat per day, all right? I would assume some people have more waste than others, some people have less waste than others, so a good average is anywhere between 0.1 to 0.15. We've been consistently in the middle for years. So a 0.3 is very consistent, all right? So we're going to take that 33 cents a pound and we're going to multiply it by 0.133 because that's how much my quail eat per day, all right? That comes out to be 0.044. So that comes out to be 4.5 cents a day per quail. All right? So obviously if you multiply how many quail I have or how many quail you have, then you would know how much you're spending in feed per day, as long as the other numbers are correctly. But here's the big point. So with these numbers, right, and let's just say that it costs you 4.5 cents per quail per day to feed them, right? If you have 50 quail and you're doing a 5-to-1 ratio, right? You have quite a bit of eggs you're getting each day. You're paying less than $2.50 a day for all your 50 quail. And that is why quail is amazing. That's why quail is the brand new chicken, new and improved. So I hope these numbers help. I hope it starts getting you to think and helps you out. We're going to be doing a video shortly about a spreadsheet as far as cost goes. Long story short, you know, you've got monthly costs, you've got quarterly costs, you've got one-time costs, and I'm going to try to help you get that started. But I hope this helped today. Stay tuned because I got better videos coming your way. Thanks, guys.